Hi, thank you very much for your mind map. Good mind map. Love it. Great mind map. Thank you. So you put the title here, the surprising link between science and fiction and economic history. Then you start talking about written by capturing people fears here. How writers predicted. Okay, and the best scientific stories with two ingredients. Good thinking. Then you start talking about the idealism here. Then what's today's fashion and hyper globalization with the example of Star Wars here. And this is about innovation and productivity and feel and so on. So it's a good mind map, meaning that you read the text carefully and your group understand that. Great on that. Yeah. I'll come back to the mind map later. Then I'm going to look at your summary. Brilliant mind map. Yeah. Let's look at your summary. Okay. Sorry. Here. So you mentioned the surprising link between science fiction and economic history. Okay. Some of the most popular science fiction works successfully capture what people envision to be creation of the future and the sentiment of the era. That's some of the most popular science fiction works. Okay, then the result of the second industrial revolution and the new technology, and then the perception and the reception of technological change, and then the productivity growth. Technological change was seen as an enabler of society progress and along with the new economic society. So um, now let's look at the title. The surprising link between science fiction and economic history. My question is, what is the surprising link? Okay, almost there. Your mind map is very complete. Your what you write in your paragraph here is good. I think you got the idea. But then, if I ask you, what's the surprising link between science fiction and economic history? So, what's the surprising link actually? You mentioned the science fiction, you mentioned the economic history. Then, what's the surprising link? Remember the text about Toshiba. Waktu kita bahas Toshiba itu kan seluruh kelas bilang, ya ini soal teknologi, 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 teknologi. But when I ask you a lot of questions, direct questions, indirect question, and then you discuss and we take a central class, ternyata bukan soal teknologi kan? Yeah, the same with this. You got the science fiction side, you got the economic history. What is surprising like that? Anyway, you have done a very good job. So far, your work is the best among others that submitted. Ya, ada beberapa yang nggak ngumpulin kayaknya. Starting next week, we're going to talk about paragraph, we're going to talk about essay and so on, and mind map. Keep doing the mind map detail like that, so that will help you a lot to think of the logic when you write your paragraph and you write your essay. Okay, that's the input from me. Thank you very much.